Hello student, welcome back. In today's session, we will going to solve question number 2 of learning curve. Let's start. The learning curve in management accounting has now become or is going to become an accepted tool in industry, for its applications are almost unlimited. When it is used correctly, it can lead to increased business and higher profits. When used without proper knowledge, it can lead to lost business and bankruptcy. State precisely. Your understanding of the learning curve, the theory of learning curve, the areas where learning curves may assist in management accounting and illustrate the use of learning curves for calculating the expected average unit cost of making 4 machines and 8 machines. Overall, in the given question, we need to find out expected average unit cost of making of 4 machines in a batch and 8 machines in a batch. Using the data below, data are given. Direct labor needed to make first machine is 1000 hours. Learning curve is 90%. Direct labor cost is given as 15 per hour. Direct material cost is 1,50,000. Fixed cost for either size order is 60,000. Let's start the solution step by step. In first 3 questions, we need to answer as a theory part. So, these theory part you can do by yourself. Just in first given scenario, we need to write the definition of learning curve, theory of learning curve, and the areas where learning curves are useful for management accounting. Now coming to the practical part. So in question it is given direct labor needed to first machine is 1000 hours. That means to make first machine time taken is 1000 hours. That means A is equal to 1000 hours. Learning curve is 90%. So to make first machine time has taken 1000 hours and learning curve is 90%. So to make the second machine time to be taken as 90% learning ratio will be 900 hours. That means 90% of the previous time is 900 hours. To double the machine, to make 4 machine, time is taken 810 hours. That means 90% of the previous time taken. This is the learning curve. Items will be doubled as 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, and learning curve will be the same as it is 90%. Okay. So for 8 units, 8 machines, time is taken 729 hours. That means 90% of the previous time. Now we will prepare statement of cost per unit when 4 and 8 machines are produced. Direct material cost are given. In question is 1,50,000 in both the case. Whether I will prepare 4 machines or 8 machines, cost will be the same. So cost is 1,50,000 in both scenario. Now direct labor. So direct labor cost is given 15 per hour. So total hour for 4 machine. Here we can see total hour. Time taken for 4 machine is 810 hours. So 810 into 15 per hour. And for 8 machines, time taken is 729 hours. So total labor cost will be 729 into 15 per unit. 10,935. Now overhead cost. Here we can see for overhead, fixed cost for either size, either 5, either 4 or either 8. 60,000 is the order 5. So overhead cost will be 60,000 divided by 4 machine because costs are same. So overhead cost will be 15,000 for 4 machine, and for 8 machine overhead cost will be 60,000 divided by 8 machine, 7,500 per machine cost. Now total cost per unit for 4 machine is 1,77,150, and for 8 machine total cost per unit is 1,68,435. Thank you.